Jean Roberts. I teach here at Faith West. I am in the Intervention Lab. I teach math intervention to our elementary students, kindergarten through 5th grade. And those who are struggling or those who are flying and need just a little bit more of a challenge. I really enjoy my job. I love seeing kids come in discouraged because they're behind. Many of them have a focus problem, and they've sat in class with the teacher and they are already behind what the teacher's instructing, and they do not engage their mind. They're just busy trying to process so much. When they come in and sit next to me in our lovely lab that I like, it's a peaceful, they walk in, it's peace. They're not being graded, they're just being helped. And instantly you can see the tension come out of them.